Copyai Pro pricing explained what you get for your money. Copyai is an iWriting platform, but most people get this wrong. They think it's only for short marketing copy. The Pro plan takes content creation to the next level with unlimited words, templates, and advanced tools for teams and businesses. The free plan allows up to 20 words per month with limited templates, perfect for testing the platform. The Pro plan starts at per month and includes unlimited words, access to all templates, collaboration features, and priority support. Pro users can create blog posts, email copy, social media content, product descriptions, and more. Advanced tools like Content Improver, Sentence Expander, and tone adjustments make it easier to maintain consistent brand voice. The surprising truth is that Copyai Pro supports team collaboration, allowing multiple users to work on content projects simultaneously while keeping style and messaging consistent. In conclusion, Copyai Pro pricing scales with access to unlimited content and advanced features. Choosing the right plan depends on your monthly content needs and team collaboration requirements. If your goal is to generate high-quality copy efficiently and consistently, Copyai Pro isn't just an iWriting tool, it's a full content creation platform for growing businesses.